This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to Buena Park, a residential pocket of Uptown, to a location that's a short walk from bars, restaurants, coffee shops, and Lincoln Park for a tour of one of the apartments at Buena Shores. I'm in apartment 1606, a one-bedroom, looking out to the north for a view of Lake Michigan and looking over the mansions in the district here. Turning into a nice-sized living dining area. There's hardwood oak flooring throughout the apartment. Ceiling fan. Heading back toward the kitchen. It's a one-wall kitchen. Oak cabinetry, honey-colored. White appliance package includes a 4-burner gas range, built-in microwave and dishwasher. And there's a closet opening off the kitchen. Turning for a look at the entryway. It's a wide closet, both shelving and hanging space, and space in the entry hall for a console table to set your keys on. Bath is white, attractively finished. It's a triple mirrored medicine cabinet above the vanity and a soaking tub shower combination. Bedroom is directly opposite the bath. Has an in-the-wall air conditioning unit, something you don't always find in the neighborhood. Buena Shores has an attractive location, a variety of 1, 2, and 3 bedroom apartments that are toward the budget-friendly end of the rent scale. If you're looking for an apartment in a great residential pocket in Uptown, in the Buena Park neighborhood, you definitely want to put Buena Shores on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.